It's unbefitting that the King of Kings, the one that owns the heavens and the earths, creates a weak creation only so that He can punish him. It's not how it works, my brothers. Allah Azza wa Jal loves us. The human is more beloved to Allah than the angels. It's the most honorable of Allah's creations. Allah didn't create us to punish us. Allah didn't create us to make things difficult. He who loves to meet Allah, Allah loves to meet him. So in short, my brother, what does Allah want from us? Just genuine steps. No luggage. No luggage. We all want Allah, but there's luggage. Wallah, brother, look, I really want to change, but this, but that. That luggage is weighing us it's weighing us down from things that beyond comprehensible, bro. Allah, just make a move. Wait, one genuine move, bro, and watch and see what Allah Azza wa Jalla will do. But it needs to be unconditional. One thing, bro, one step towards Allah. That's all you need to do. Allah loves you. I'm not saying that because, wallah, I'm trying to win your heart. No, Allah loves you genuinely. My brothers, when you say, Ya Rabb, you don't know what's happening in the heavens. A slave called upon his master. You might think, yeah, but brother, not me. Why not you, akhi? Why? Why not you? Wallah, brother, you don't know, man, wallah. And that's, wallahi, my brothers, this isn't a level of iman. This is just shaitan. Brother, understand, bro, like, wallah, I've got so much sins, I've got so much shortcomings, I've done so much muharramat. This isn't a level of faith. This is just shaitan who's clouding us, that's all. Bro, we've all got sins. That's why we need Allah Azza wa Jal. Because I'm not perfect, bro. No one is. Make a move. Take a genuine step to Allah. Tonight, now. One istighfar, bro, one genuine from the heart. Ya Allah, forgive me my sins. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives. Allah loves to forgive. My brothers, we need to make this move. Why? Ramadan's around the corner.